Good morning everyone students. How are you all? I think you all are keeping well. Okay, so we are going to start our first chapter of English. This is Lost and Found. So this is your first chapter. So what is the theme of this chapter? The theme is what is home? Okay, so can anybody tell what is home? Obviously, a place where we live is called a home. Okay, so here an activity is there in your book. So firstly, beta, take out your books fast. Okay, so have you taken out? Okay, just see beta, this is the theme first. What is the home? Can you see this picture? Can you see? Okay. So here some questions are there. It is asking only to you. Okay, first one, what do you see in this picture? Tell me beta, what do you see in the picture? Okay, we can see that a boy is coming from anywhere. Okay, so what are you saying here? A boy is coming, है ना? Coming from anywhere or going somewhere. Okay. So second one, it is asking, where do you think this boy is going and from where? So the boy is going from where beta? Okay, so tell your answers. What do you think? Okay, so by seeing the face of this boy, we can easily say that this boy is coming from school and going to his home. That's why he is too happy now. Just like you people are very happy when you are going to home from the school. Okay, so why he is running? Why is he running? How does he look? So tell me students, are you running when you are going to home? Okay, just like this boy is also running because he is so happy. So, and how does he look? He looks happy. Okay. The next verse is asking, what would you do if you were the boy in the picture? How would you feel? Okay, so I know there are so many students, they are having the different ideas, different feelings. So what would you do? अगर आप होते इस बच्चे की जगह तो आप क्या करते, कैसा फील करते बेटा? Obviously everybody is feeling happy ना? हाँ. The number 5th is, does our home only protect us from the weather? What else do we get from home? Look at these words. Can you choose in as many as you like? Love, safely, comfort, being with family. Okay beta, so obviously we will choose every word. Love, safety, comfort, being with family. We can get everything from our home, from our family. Okay, so the next activity is you have to do with your friends. So try to do it, okay, at home. Now come to the chapter first, Lost and Found. Before starting this chapter, we will go through the hard word of this chapter. Okay, so my dear students, take out your copies, take out your notebooks, English notebook, and start writing the hard words. Okay beta, I think you all have taken out your notebooks. In your notebooks, firstly put today's date. It is 6th April 2021. After that, you have to write the chapter's name, chapter first, Lost and Found, and then come down and write down the word meaning. Okay, come to the first word. It is peeped. And what does it mean? It means to look at something quickly. Okay, so can you see properly? Peeped, it means to look at something quickly. Come to the second word. It is toads. And what does it mean? It means a kind of frog. The third word beta, it is mole. And what does it mean? It means a small burrowing mammal with dark velvety fur. Okay, it is also a kind of animal, a burrowing animal. Okay, come to the fourth word, wandering. Wandering means walking without hurry and walking without plan. Okay, बिना प्लान के कहीं भी घूमते फिरते रहना, which is called wandering. Come to the next word. It is screamed. Screamed means to cry out loudly in a high voice. Can you see it properly beta? Screamed, to cry out loudly in a high voice. जोर से चिल्ला कर रोना. Then after, the next 6th one word is tap. What does it mean? Tap means to touch or hit somebody quickly. Okay, to touch or hit somebody quickly. Come to the seventh word, it is back jawe. That means step back. And the last word is soared, which means rose high in the air. So dear students, I think you all have understood. Just have a look. Can you see it properly? Okay. Now come to the next one. Can you see it properly, beta? Okay. So I think you all have noted it down. If not, please note it down in your notebooks. So dear students, we will read this wonderful story in our next period. So your today's work is you have to write this word meaning and you have to learn it properly at home. Be safe at home and keep learning. Thank you, beta. Thank you very much. Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Okay. So firstly, I would like to give a little introduction about me. Myself Uma Sharma. I am your new teacher and today we are going to start our first chapter. So before starting this chapter, just come up to the theme of the chapter. The theme of the chapter is what does growing up means. Okay, what does growing up means? You know beta, when you grow up, you are a baby. After that you have grown up to a child, है ना? Then after you have grown up to an adult. Then after an old. So this is the stages of life, है ना? So my dear students, can you see this picture? Can you see? Take out your books first and just see this picture. So can you describe this picture? Guess how old the two people in the photograph are. So first one, let's discuss about this person. It may be 80 years old, है ना? 80 years or 75 and above. Look at this pic. This is a boy and it may be 10 years old, है ना? So beta, after seeing this picture, you can guess who are they and what kind of relationship between them. So obviously this person may be its grandfather and this one is maybe grandson. Okay, so how old are you? How old are this person? It may be above 70 to 80 and this one is maybe 10 years old. Okay, but after seeing this picture, you can understand it may be the grandfather and it may be its grandson. And can you guess how old the two people in the photograph are? The grandfather may be 80 years old and the grandson it may be 10 years old. Okay, so what do you think the two are talking about? ये किस बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे? Okay, so guess it. आप सिर्फ guess कर सकते हो ना कि ये किस बारे में ये बात कर रहे होंगे. Okay, if you could ask the old man any two question about his childhood, what would they be? So do you like the idea of growing up and becoming an adult? Why or why not? So can you tell me few sentences about this? You all have grown up. You all have to grow. You all have to grow up. So the conclusion is when you born, you were a baby. Then after you have grown up to a child. After that you have to grown up to an adult. Then an old person, है ना? So this is a process of life. Now come to the chapter. So let us start the chapter, beta. The chapter's name is How Old is Muttaji? First one, I would like to explain about the Muttaji. Muttaji means the great grandmother. Okay, the great grandmother. Okay, so here riddle is there. The riddle is that Rajan is older than Priya. Priya is older than Arav. Arav is older than Ishi. Ishi is younger than Rajan but older than Priya. Can you find out who is the oldest and youngest are? तो इस रिडल में आपको क्या बताना है बेटा कि इसमें सबसे बड़ा और सबसे छोटा कौन है. दिस इज फॉर यू. यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट. ओके, कम टू द चैप्टर. It is January 2016. Putta and Putti, the twins, are visiting their Muttaji, great-grandmother, in Mysuru for her birthday. But nobody knows how old Muttaji really is. So the twins decided to solve this mystery. Okay, in January 2016, two twins, Putta and Putti, are visiting their Muttaji's house, okay, in Mysuru for her birthday. किसका birthday? मुत्ताजी's birthday. But nobody knows how old is she. वो कितने साल की थी कोई नहीं जानता था. So the twins are decided to solve this mystery. Okay. The moment they reached the old greenhouse in Mysuru, the twins burst into Muttaji's room. तो जैसे ही दोनों बच्चे मैसूरू में आते हैं, दोनों बच्चे जो हैं बिल्कुल दौड़ के मुत्ताजी के रूम में जाते हैं. हैप्पी बर्थडे मुत्ताजी, हाउ ओल्ड आर यू टुडे? नाउ द चिल्ड्रन आर सेइंग हैप्पी बर्थडे. दे विश्ड देम हैप्पी बर्थडे मुत्ताजी एंड आस्क्ड हाउ ओल्ड आर यू नाउ? मुत्ताजी हग द ट्विंस. सो मुत्ताजी हग द ट्विंस. दोनों बच्चों को उन्होंने गले से लगाया. हाउ ओल्ड एम आई? हु नोज? हाउ डज इट मैटर? व्हाट डिड शी से? शी सेड हाउ ओल्ड एम आई? हु नोज? कौन जानता है मैं कितने साल की हूँ. और ये व्हाट हाउ डज इट मैटर? बट इट डज, क्राइड पुत्ता एंड पुत्ती टुगेदर. बट पुत्ता एंड पुत्ती दोनों चिल्ला के बोलते हैं बट इट डज. मुत्ताजी स्माइल्ड. वेल शी सेड आई नो दैट अराउंड 5 years बिफोर I was born. Our Maharaja went to a grand party for Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. A British king and queen had come to visit and our Maharaja got a gold medal. Okay, here Muttaji is saying कि उन्हें याद है कि वो 5 साल पहले ही पैदा हुई है ना. और हमारे महाराजा ने he went to a grand party for Indian Maharaja and Maharanis. Okay. एंड वहाँ पे इन दिल्ली, तो उनके जो महाराजा थे वो कहाँ, ही वेंट टू अ ग्रैंड पार्टी फॉर इंडियन महाराजाज एंड महारानीज इन दिल्ली. और जो ब्रिटिश किंग थे, ब्रिटिश किंग एंड क्वीन ने उन्हें गोल्ड मेडल भी दिया था. तो ऑब्वियसली फॉर इन दिस सेंटेंस वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पार्टी इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स, है ना. हु वाज this king? Muttaji asks Putta. Now Putta is asking who was this king. If you know, we can find out which year he visited. If we add 5 years to that, we will know when you were born. Okay. Now here Muttaji here the children are asking from Muttaji who was the king. That means they are asking the name of the king. अगर उन्हें नेम पता चल जाएगा तो they will find out which year he visited. एंड अगर वो 5 years उसमें जोड़ देते तो वो जान पाते कि हाउ व्हेन शी वॉज बोर्न. कौन? मुत्ताजी. मुत्ताजी श्रग्ड. आई हैव फॉरगॉटन. पुत्ता. पुत्ता's face fell. Okay. मुत्ताजी श्रग्ड. श्रग्ड मीन्स बेटा टू रेज योर शोल्डर्स एंड देन ड्रॉप टू शो यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग. ओके. अपने कंधे को उठा के फिर नीचे करना कि भाई मुझे तो कुछ नहीं पता. तो नाउ मुत्ताजी सेइंग आई हैव फॉरगॉटन. मैं भूल गई. पुत्ता फेस फेल. पुत्ता का फेस जो है वो गिर गया, फिर से फेस फेल हो गया. वेट सेड मुत्ताजी. नाउ मुत्ताजी सेइंग वेट, रुको, लेट मी सी इफ आई कैन रिमेंबर समथिंग एल्स. मुझे सोचने दो क्या मुझे कुछ और भी याद आ सकता है. When I was your age, about your age, जो मैं लगभग तुम्हारे जैसी थी, 9 or 10, my uncle from Bombay visited us and told us about clean trains. So here Muttaji is saying when she was about 9 or 10 years old, her uncle from Bombay visited there and told us about the clean trains. Okay, now come to the word clean trains. Here again, clean trains. Yes, Muttaji was excited here. Muttaji was very excited to see again hear the word clean trains. They had started running in Bombay that year. You never got dirty traveling in them. No black dust on your clothes and face. So here Muttaji is saying they had started. कौन? ये जो क्लीन ट्रेन्स थे कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई थी? बॉम्बे एट दैट ईयर. एंड आप उसमें यू हैव नेवर गॉट डर्टी ट्रैवलिंग. आप उसमें डर्टी ट्रैवलिंग नहीं कर सकते थे. दैट मीन्स नो डर्टी क्लॉथ्स, नो डर्टी फेस. ओके. द ट्विंस स्टेयर्ड एट हर. दोनों बच्चे अपनी मुत्ताजी की तरफ देखने लगे. वाई वुड एनीवन गेट डर्टी ट्रैवलिंग बाय ट्रेन? कोई ट्रेन में डर्टी ट्रैवलिंग क्यों करेगा? Some years later continued Muttaji. Now Muttaji is continued here कि some years later I got married. I must have been 16. So Muttaji is saying कि some years later she got married और उस समय वो 16 की रही होंगी. Very soon after my marriage your Muttaja means great grandfather got a job. Okay, तो very soon after her marriage Muttaja को एक जॉब मिली in Bombay and we left Mysore and they left Mysore. Did anything important happen the year you got married Muttaji? आपको तना पुत्ता की जब आपकी शादी हुई थी कुछ ग्रेट हुआ था? Yes, said Muttaji. Our Maharaja inaugurated our big trams and the beautiful garden next to it during the Dasara festival that year. Okay, Muttaji is saying the same year when she got married उनके महाराजा ने एक बिग डैम इनॉर्गरेट किया वहाँ पर और उसी के साथ में एक ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन कब? ड्यूरिंग दशहरा फेस्टिवल. अ बिग डैम पुत्ता सेटअप इट इज स्टिल देयर. अ बिग डैम शी इज सेइंग अ बिग डैम, क्या वो अभी भी वहाँ पर है? Muttaji laughed. Of course, it is the dam built across the Kaveri. Muttaji laughed. Of course, ये जो डैम है ये कावेरी के ऊपर है. Aji put her head around the door. Are you talking about KRS Amma? Now Aji put her head around the door and she's asking, are you talking about KRS Amma? Anna, yes, Muttaji said, looking foldedly at Aji. Your Aji was my 5th child, the youngest but always the smartest. Okay, so Muttaji firstly agreed the statement and then she's looking at Ammaji very loving way and then said, your Aji was my 5th child. Your Aji आपकी दादी मेरी 5th child थी और सबसे छोटी लेकिन सबसे smartest. So my dear student, what is KRS? And here some words came from the abstract noun. So we will study about all these things in our next period. So how are you feeling? Please tell me. Till then, keep safe and stay at home. Thank you very much.